Hello and welcome to your second assignment in Office 2010. So you are to work off of pages 6, 16, 6, 17. So I have got mine already started, and you're to make your margins. Again, your margins are under page layout, and you want to go to custom margins to make sure you have your top margin to 2. Then they want you to set it up like a memo. Again, you can look in your appendix for this, but since we already did it, I have it set up. And then I typed in the items for number 3. And so we now are number 4, create a column chart using the information. Okay, so you want to go to Insert and then Chart. And there's a ton of column charts to choose from. I'm just going to choose the first one and hit OK. Now, if you read ahead to number 5, it says switch the row and column format so that the quarters are along the x-axis. So I am going to put my quarters here. Oops. Sorry, hold on. Okay, so I put in my quarters along the x-axis and have milk chocolate and dark chocolate up here and put in the information. There's a default extra column here. You want to make sure you right-click, delete the column. So now you have all the information for numbers 4 and 5 on page 116, so you can exit out of your Excel sheet, and now you have your chart. So we are now on number 6. Edit the chart data. Whenever you need to go in and edit the chart data, you can right-click and click Edit Data, and then B3 is not B3 on my chart because I already corrected for my axes, but if you just look where B3 is up here, you'll see that it's 60, so you just want to change that to 58. But again, there's other ways of doing this as well. So if it does correspond to B3, that's absolutely fine. All right, just as long as that your end chart looks like this one does. Okay, number 7, we're going to key the chart title. So we want to come up here, make sure you're in your chart tools, and then you want to go to Layout, and you want to do Chart Title. And you want it above the chart, and you're going to type in chocolate sales. It says format the legend so that they are 10-point bold and italic, so you can just literally right click and come up here and bold and italicize them. For some reason, my italicized is not right. Okay, so now I'm clicking the right button, bold and italicize, and again, come down here to dark chocolate, make sure you click on it, bold and italicize. Okay, so those are done. Center the chart horizontally. You just click on the chart, come up to Home, and just center it here for the alignment. Add vertical grid lines. You want to go back under Chart Tools, Layout, and you want to go to go to grid lines, you need to go to Layout, Grid Lines, and then it wants you to go to Major Grid Lines. So now you have your grid lines. And then you only want to do the chart area gradient fill. So it's kind of goofy how I do it. And again, you can always do it a different way. But I go to Format Chart Area, make it a gradient fill, and hit Close. And then you have to make sure though that the plot area is on Automatic Fill. Okay, because you don't want the chart area to be filled as well. Now you're ready to save it and turn it in.